Now, let's take a look at what we've done on the browser. On the browser page, let's log in with our user credentials. But if you have not registered before while we create the user authentication part of this system, kindly click on the registration link and fill in your details. But if you are registered earlier, you can use the login link. On successful registration or login, this will take us to our to-do dashboard. Here, we would have our to-do list. You can add a new to-do to your list by clicking on the Add To-Do link. Let's create a new task. Now, we will add a category. I'll call the category programming, and then a description. Let's add that. Now we can see that we have it listed on our to-do list. On my dashboard, I have 3 to-dos listed. Also, on our to-do dashboard, there are 3 specific actions we can take. We can view each to-do or edit. Also, we can decide to delete a to-do from the list. Let's delete this second to-do from the list. By clicking on the delete, it will be removed from our dashboard. Now, let's click on the edit icon. We will notice that for the edit, we don't have a view yet. This is simply because on our edit blade, we have not added the code which will be displayed to the user. Let's get back to our code editor and fix that. In my code editor, let's navigate to the edit-todo.blade.php file. To simplify things, let's get the form from the add-todo.blade.php. Now, we will need to edit our title. We will call it edit to do. For our input fields, we will need to pass in the value of the to-do item. Here, I'll pass in the title of the to-do. For the input field of the category, I'll also pass in the category column. We'll also do the same thing for the description. Now, let's save. And then view our changes on the web browser. Now, if we refresh the edit link, we will have our results displayed. Now, I will edit the description part of our to-do. Let's click on the update button. And now we have successfully edited that part of our to-do list. In the course of this Laravel module, we have discussed the basic syntax of Laravel, how to install a new Laravel framework file. We also take a look at the Laravel folder structure. We talked about each of the folders and what they are used for. We also take a quick look at the PHP artisan command. Now, we've just concluded describing a CRUD operation using Laravel. Thank you and have a great day.